So I shot this video once and realized I had my camera set to completely the wrong settings, so back out in the snow again. Hopefully my camera makes it again. I just wanted to show you guys, give you an update on the March blizzard of 2020 here in Colorado. To give you an idea what's going on, I already shoveled once today. Got it all the way down to the sidewalk, and where I shoveled is where I'm standing right now. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard to see out here, but it's already like up past my ankles, like mid shin length. Already shoveled all that. I started building an igloo earlier with the kids, then got too tired and cold, but it was gonna be cool. I still might finish it maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to walk you around, show you some of what it looked like out here. Pretty nuts. One of the biggest snows I've seen since probably the 2003 blizzard, which was incredible. So oh, and the craziest part, it's like snowing hard, but it's also windy, so it's building all these drifts up and piling high. Look at my Jeep. Look at this little wing of snow. And then look at these trees over here. They're so full of snow, they're like, you can't even get through because they're just hanging over on this trash can. Here's the neighborhood. So it's Sunday. The snow started yesterday about noon, and then it really picked up last night. Overnight we woke up to, like I said, probably about 8 inches at least. We've gotten at least 10, well, 8 to 10 more since then, so I think we're probably close to 18, but you know, it's hard to know for sure. I don't know if any of this is clear because my lens is all shot. And there's my igloo. It's gonna have there's a door. I don't know. I might still finish it tomorrow. Maybe later today if it dies down, but I'm thinking probably not. But yeah, look at all this snow. Look at this right here. Oh, look at that. It's incredible. Oh, look at these. This right here too, it's like knee high right here. Ah. It's nuts. Anyways, I'll update you if anything else happens. Quick update, but our power actually ended up going out for almost the entire day yesterday. It was fine, it wasn't too cold or anything, but we were a little nervous about how cold it would get last night, so we actually packed up and stayed the night at my parents' house last night. And we're just getting back. This is the aftermath. This section right here is actually even deeper than it looks because I couldn't shovel it all the way down to the ground yet. I'm still not sure I'll be able to, so if I jumped in right here, it would be about waist high, basically. It is a beautiful day now though. All the neighbors are out shoveling. I have to take Courtney to work real fast, and then I'm gonna get out the shovel too. Look at this. It's just craziness. So it actually turns out that this is the fourth biggest snow in Colorado history. Next to, I think, is the 1906, 1946, 2003. Yeah, I think and then this one, and then the one from 1982. Which one from 1982 is kind of like famous. All our parents and grandparents talk about it, so we actually beat that one, which is pretty crazy. So most of those dates I just gave you about the biggest storms were completely wrong, so I apologize about that, but I was right, it is the fourth biggest storm. I got most of the sidewalk shoveled, kinda. Got all that done. And this here, I haven't figured that out yet, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get that out, but we should be okay. I'm gonna take the Jeep for now anyways. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's the storm. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try and do these vlogs a little bit more often. I would love to do once a week, so we'll see. I'm hoping to have an update on the Jeeps coming soon. I know a lot of people, I get a lot of comments about updates on Scott's Jeep. I posted that video about lifting it a couple years ago, and I get a ton of comments on it. And I have a big update about it. Mostly the fact that it was stolen, but we got it back. So that's where we're at right now, and I'm gonna do an update on my little Jeep back there as well soon too. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys soon, and subscribe, like, comment. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. Anyways, we'll see you guys soon.